Madam Speaker, and I raised...
Condense your comments to maybe 1.5 by consent so that everybody can contribute.
Sure, I'll be very brief. I rise to support the motion by the Honorable Distinguished Senator Wambua, and I would like to shift focus a bit from the discussion of LGBTQ to maybe try and deliberate on why the Supreme Court of Kenya was allowing this kind of absurdity that is against our religion and against our African culture. Perhaps we need to think as a country and shift focus from poverty eradication to wealth creation, because if at all this is in relation to the donations we get from the international organizations that are funding the LGBTQ rights, then if the ruling was meant to please this organization, how about the same organization or any other foreign interference of our nation by other countries to shift focus into empowering the vast majority of youth who are unemployed in this country and looking? How about looking for employment, sorry. How about we also think about diversifying our sources of income for people in this country? How about tapping on our vast resources in this country? How about strengthening our industries to ensure that we have more jobs for these people? Because like they say, an idle mind is the devil's workshop. So my honorable colleagues are alleging here that which I agree with them, that gayism and lesbianism and whatever LGBTQ is all because of, is evil. So that means our youth are idle, and that's why they're engaging in evil activities. How about we try and get jobs for them so that at least we can have a better... Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you.